Everything on this machine seems to work okay. It was well taken care of, it's just that this needle position will not move. So I'm going to take the top off of that and see what's wrong with it. But this, well, once again, WD-40 and a pair of pliers on this part right here that was seized up. Now I started working it loose. The knob still isn't working it yet, but it changed the needle position. I don't know if you can see that, not much light right now. But that's the culprit. That is all seized up in there. So I squirted it down real heavy with WD-40. I'm going to leave it sit and then work it back and forth. And she should be working. And so after sitting for a few days and being hosed down pretty good with the old WD-40, this thing is working perfect. It's clicking quickly like it should. For a while it was, if I moved this from right to center, it would go real slow. You know, the needle would move real slow, and from center to left, real slow. But when you go back to the right, it would click real fast because it's counting on some spring action there to move it quickly. But being seized up, it wouldn't do that. So this was it the whole time. I wasn't sure what was causing it. It was driving me a little bit crazy there. So I got a piece of paper and I put in on one of these cams and just ran it, and so I did the zigzag, went back to the other pattern, then zigzag. Then I put in the one that you use the automatic reverse, and that was this one here. You can't really see with the dots like I was hoping you would, but what it was doing is it was doing what it was supposed to, and then it was reversing, but it wasn't moving the needle position. So that got me looking up top in here, because there's 3 arms here, and 2 of them were moving fine. It was that one that I found wasn't moving. It was locked. So, locked, so it wasn't moving the position at all. So that's where I had to hose it down pretty good and leave it sit. And now it's working brand new. And I think I already mentioned it. I believe this thing was taken care of. I believe it was used extensively. And like I said, it was oiled and taken care of, but I don't think whoever used it ever needed the needle position to change from the right, and they never used any of the cams, maybe, I don't know, but because everything else worked fine. That was the only thing. So, I mean, you can oil a machine all you want, but if you don't move things around, and that oil will turn to varnish and act like a glue. So that's all taken care of. So I'm going to put it back together, and I'll probably just maybe do another video with all the other stuff that came with it. I'm just going to, I need to wrap this one up because I have about 9 more sitting here to go over.